Hey there YouTube viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something exciting for all of you Amazon sellers out there. We're going to explore the benefits of using a twister variation strategy to boost your sales on the Amazon platform. If you're looking to take your Amazon game to the next level, you're in the right place. Stick around because we've got some valuable insights and strategies coming your way.
So, first things first, what exactly is a twister variation? Well, it's a clever approach to listing similar products on Amazon, creating a variety of options for potential buyers. Instead of focusing on one single product, you offer different variations to cater for a wider audience.
Now, let's dive into the benefits. Expanded market research. By offering various product variations, you can appeal to different customer preferences, increasing your chances of making a sale.
Also, Amazon's search algorithm rewards listing with more options. This can lead to higher rankings and increased exposure for your products.
And also, customers appreciate having choices. Offering variations can lead to higher customer satisfaction and positive reviews.
It provides a competitive edge, allowing you to stand out from the competition by providing more options and making it harder for competitors to replace your listings.
Now that we've covered the benefits, let's discuss some strategies for implementing twister variation effectively.
First off, market research. Analyze your niche and competitors to identify opportunities for variation. Look for trends and customer preferences. That's absolutely key. Offer variations in color, size, material, or any other relevant aspect of your product. Ensure that each variation appeals to a different segment of your target audience.
Craft clear, concise, and keyword-rich product listings for each variation. Highlight the unique features and benefits of each option.
Be strategic with your pricing. Offer attractive bundles or discounts for customers who purchase multiple variations.
Now you want to make sure you keep a close eye on your inventory to ensure you can fulfill orders. Stockouts can harm your rankings.
Alright folks, we've covered a lot today. Twister variation can be a game changer for your Amazon business. It helps you expand your reach, boost visibility, enhance customer experience, and helps you gain a competitive edge.
Are you ready to implement the twister variation strategy in your Amazon business? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies to succeed on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.